Saving money is a habit, just like overspending is a habit. Daily choices shape both, but only one leads to financial freedom. If you want to improve your savings efforts, you need a saving protocol. A protocol is no more than a plan or guidelines. It's a procedure you use to save money. Click on my pinned comment to get a free example saving protocol. A strategy to save money isn't enough, and here's why. A protocol is a set of rules, guidelines, or procedures designed to ensure consistency and efficiency in a specific process. A protocol helps establish a systematic approach to achieving goals in money management or daily routines. It ensures that actions are taken in a structured way, reducing the chance of errors or missed opportunities. For example, a money-saving protocol might include specific steps like automatically transferring a portion of income to savings every month. In contrast, a commuting protocol could involve predefined strategies for optimizing travel to and from work. The key purpose of a protocol is to create a reliable, repeatable process for success. If you're looking for ways to save money, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing fresh, innovative tips and strategies to help you stretch your budget and make smarter financial decisions. From everyday hacks to long-term savings plans, we cover it all. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or simply manage your finances better, we've got you covered. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you will never miss another video. Stay tuned for regular updates on how to make the most of your hard-earned money. Most people use protocols in their daily lives without even realizing it. A protocol is simply a set of steps or routines designed to make tasks more efficient or consistent. Whether you're managing your finances, getting to work, or handling everyday chores, chances are you're following a plan. Here are 5 reasons you need a money-saving protocol. Lack of consistency. A strategy may be vague and lack the structure to create consistent saving habits. With specific actions and routines, you will save regularly. No accountability. Strategies are often theoretical. A protocol, on the other hand, incorporates specific guidelines, such as automatic transfers to a savings account, that hold you accountable and remove the temptation to skip saving. Overwhelming flexibility. Strategies tend to be flexible, which is good, but too much flexibility can make it easy to deviate from your plan. A protocol locks in key elements of your plan, like fixed percentages of income to save, so you can stay on track even when life throws curveballs. Failure to address habits. A strategy only sometimes addresses the emotional and psychological factors behind spending habits. A saving protocol can include steps to tackle impulse spending, emotional triggers, or unnecessary purchases, leading to better financial behavior. No built-in adjustments. Protocols often allow for regular reviews and adjustments based on changing financial circumstances, whereas a strategy might not emphasize this ongoing refinement, which is critical for long-term success. In short, a money-saving strategy provides the direction, but a protocol delivers the structure needed for consistent results. Combining both ensures you turn your financial goals into reality. A money-saving protocol is essential because it provides a structured approach to managing your finances, ensuring that saving becomes a habit rather than an afterthought. Many people struggle to save because they need a transparent system or guidelines. Here are the key reasons a saving protocol is vital. Financial discipline. It creates a disciplined approach to managing income and expenses, preventing unnecessary spending. Goal-oriented savings. A protocol helps define specific financial goals such as building an emergency fund, saving for a home or retirement, and ensuring that your savings align with your priorities. Emergency preparedness. Life is unpredictable. A savings protocol ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies or car repairs without falling into debt. Budget efficiency. By following a saving strategy, you can budget more effectively, avoiding the trap of overspending and impulse buying, which erodes your financial stability. Long-term security. Savings protocols lay the groundwork for financial security, offering peace of mind and the ability to invest in future opportunities. Incorporating a money-saving protocol transforms saving into an intentional and automated process, removing the guesswork and helping you stay on track. Many people overlook this until it's too late, but by understanding its importance, you can set yourself up for lasting financial success. Developing and improving routines to handle your money and savings is essential for staying organized and reaching your financial goals. Writing these routines down provides clarity and increases accountability and consistency. Here's why and how to approach it. 1. Clarity and focus. Writing down your money-saving routines clarifies your financial habits. Instead of relying on memory, having a clear plan on paper or digitally helps you focus on specific actions that align with your financial goals like budgeting, saving, and paying down debt. 2. Track progress. When routines are written down, it becomes easier to track your progress. For example, if you've set up a protocol to save a fixed percentage of your income every month, seeing it written reminds you to assess how well you're sticking to that routine. You can adjust and improve where necessary. 3. Accountability. Having a written plan creates a sense of accountability. Committing your routines to writing makes you more likely to follow through because it feels more formal. It's no longer just an idea, it's a structured plan you can follow. 4. Preventing oversights. Handling money can be complex with various payments, savings goals, and investments to manage. Writing down your protocols ensures you won't miss steps, whether paying a bill on time, contributing to an emergency fund, or automating savings transfers. 5. Improving financial habits. When you write down your routines, you have the opportunity to evaluate and improve them. You can identify weak spots, like overspending or failing to save consistently, and tweak your routine to serve your goals better. For instance, you might realize you're not contributing enough to retirement and adjust your savings plan accordingly. 6. Creating a structured savings plan. A written plan should include your goals, e.g., building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or paying off debt, and the specific steps you'll take to achieve them. This might include automating transfers, setting up a budget, or using a percentage-based approach, e.g., 50-30-20, to allocate income to different categories. 7. Adjusting with time. Your financial situation will evolve over time. When you write down your money routines, you can quickly go back and make adjustments. If your income changes or you pay off debt, you can reallocate funds to savings or investments. Written routines allow you to pivot and grow with your financial situation. 8. Easy reference. Having your routines written down makes them easy to reference. Whether checking to see if you've hit your monthly savings goal or reviewing your spending categories, written routines are a clear guide to keep you on track. How to write down your money and savings routines. Start with goals. Define what you want to achieve financially, such as saving for a down payment, reducing debt, or building an emergency fund. Break it down. Write step-by-step actions, like automating savings, setting up a budget, or using a debt repayment plan, snowball or avalanche method. Be specific. Include clear details like bill payment dates, savings amounts, and spending limits for different categories. Review regularly. Schedule regular check-ins, monthly or quarterly, to review and adjust your written routines based on your progress or changes in financial circumstances. Use tools. Keep your routines in a place where you'll review them often, such as a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. Writing down and improving your money-saving routines creates a roadmap for financial success. It helps you stay disciplined, track progress, and make adjustments as needed. This is what Karen did. Karen, a 32-year-old factory worker with short brown hair, had struggled to make ends meet since her divorce. Raising her 6-year-old son, Ethan, on a single income was tough, and every month felt like a scramble to cover the bills. She knew something had to change. One night, after another stressful day balancing work and parenting, Karen created a money-saving protocol to regain control of her finances. She began by tracking every dollar she spent for a month. It wasn't easy, but by the end, she saw patterns. Too many small purchases adding up, like takeout lunches and buying toys for Ethan on impulse. Karen set a goal: to save $200 a month. A challenge, but not impossible. Her first step was to cut back on eating out. She started packing her lunch for work, something simple like sandwiches and leftovers. This small change alone saved her $50 in the first week. Next, Karen automated her savings. She opened a high-yield savings account and set up an automatic transfer of $50 every payday. It was out of sight, out of mind, and she started to feel the thrill of watching her savings grow, even if slowly at first. She also created a strict budget. Using a notebook, Karen wrote down all her fixed expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, and what she could allocate for the rest. She made it a rule to stick to her list when shopping, and she began using cashback apps for groceries, finding deals and cutting her costs by at least $30 each month. After a few months, Karen was proud of her changes. Her savings account had over $800, and she didn't feel anxious about unexpected expenses for the first time in a long while. She even started planning small fun outings with Ethan without the guilt of overspending. In this video, we break down simple, effective strategies you can start using right away. Whether automating your savings, setting up a realistic budget, or cutting back on unnecessary expenses, these tips are designed to help you build a solid financial foundation. No matter where you're starting from, with a little dedication and the right tools, you can take control of your finances and start seeing real progress. So don't wait. Watch the video and start your savings journey today.